Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to understand how to implement Chat GPT for a powerful SEO on your website. So without wasting any time, let's get to it. I know you want to boost your website. I know you want to rank higher on the search engines, and Chat GPT is a great AI tool and it's free. And you can use it to optimize your website content, find more keywords, and write great meta title descriptions, blogs, contents, and everything else. So let's get started with the first step, that's the keywords. Now, Chat GPT can give you excellent keywords. It can give you great keywords. What you need to do is just go to Chat GPT, type in your topic, and tell Chat GPT to give you an example of long tail keywords which are good for your industry. Or you can also put one of your competitors' website inside the chat of the Chat GPT, and you can just say, suggest some keywords for this website. There is a good probability it will give you good keywords. Choose the keywords that work for you, but while you're choosing the keywords, do not forget to choose the long tail keywords. Remember, you're just starting the SEO. You should never go for short tail keywords because short tail keywords takes more time in the ranking. So you just make sure that you have the right keywords for you. Keyword research is the foundation for the SEO. Open Chat GPT and type, give me suggestions for 10 long tail keywords on this following topic, and it will give you a lot of suggestions. Next, write optimized content for your blogs, because blogs are really important when it comes especially to the SEO. Chat GPT can help you create engaging blog posts with optimizing your specific keywords inside it. Your blogs should be engaging. Provide a clear prompt to Chat GPT. Write a blog for 1000 keywords for these specific keywords. Most importantly, do not forget to include the landing pages in that command. You can also tell Chat GPT to write an intro, subheading, and a conclusion in that blog. Read that blog, make sure it is good for your website. Improve the blog, do some editings inside it, and then you can use it further. Remember, your content has to be unique, and you should give it a personal touch to connect with your audience. Grab attention, grabbing meta titles and descriptions. Let's start with meta descriptions. You can actually tell Chat GPT to create engaging and compelling meta descriptions. Just give a command, create meta descriptions for 160, you heard it, 160 characters for following keywords, and it will give you some descriptions. Now, do not forget to create multiple meta descriptions. Now, descriptions also should have your keywords, as I mentioned earlier. Do not forget that step. Next step, you can create meta titles as well. Now, titles are limited to the content of 70 to 80 characters only. So give a command, create titles for so and so keywords, and it will give you multiple options of the title. Make sure to choose the title that fits best for your requirement and engaging and is in connection with your audience. Next, create content for FAQs and schema markups. Ask Chat GPT what are the common questions people have about your topic. Use the answers to create an FAQ section on your web page. You can even ask Chat GPT to write a schema code for your FAQ. For example, write schema code for these FAQ questions and answers. Next, internal linking. Now, internal linking helps search engines understand your website structure and keeps your users engaged. Now, suggest internal linking opportunities for a blog post about your topic. This is the command you can give to Chat GPT. Chat GPT will suggest you related topics and you can link to from your other pages. Next, most importantly, perform a content refresh. Content is very valuable for your website. Refreshing old content is the key to maintaining your rankings. Now, use your old blogs or the old content in your website to re-optimize that content, include your keywords and refresh that content. But remember, you should not keep refreshing that content again and again, because in that way you can use your valuable ranking on your search engines. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, give us a good comment and hit the like button. For more upcoming videos, click the bell icon and subscribe to our channel. There will be more videos in the future coming for your digital marketing. Till then, see you.